Hello everyone! On the way ako sa school ni Lakshmi para sunduin ko siya and makausap na din yung teacher niya para ma-update ko kung kumusta na ba si Lakshmi sa school. At the same time, dinala namin yung bag na gusto niya dahil nung isang araw hindi namin nabili. There! Where are you? Excited niya to meet Alicia. Where? You still there? Where? No, the bag. Is that one? I think this one is it. Where?
Huh?
Saan na ba yun?
That one.
The one you find.
Two I found.
Where?
Come.
Where? Don't run.
This
This
one.
one? How much is it?
This one is already passed by.
40 ringgit, 39. Which one?
This one already taken. La boo boo.
So which one you like? Is it this one? The purple color?
These two got purple.
Yan yung bag ni Lakshmi at saka extra shoes pangpasok niya sa school. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, come, let's go. We take your bag and your shoes.
Push.
Let's go! Ito na, nabili na yung gamit ni Lakshmi. Come, let's go back. We're going to take a lunch. Come! Muna kami guys, mag-lunch kami sa labas. Yung mga shoes dito, oh. Going to have a lunch. Na kami mag-lunch.
Ma.
So now we're going to Watson. May bibili na akong ibang gamit ko. Come, let's go. Kasama ko pa rin si Lakshmi. Tinan naka-uniform pa din siya.
Ow. 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 Ow.
We're going to Watson. Ay, I'm going to buy some bread here in KK. Punta muna ako sa KK. Magkatabi lang naman sila, KK and Watson.
Bum bum.
Nabili ko na yung dapat kong bilhin. We're going back now. Oh, let's go. I open for you. Lakshmi. Nauhaw si Indiana. Binili ko yan sa sa KK supermarket.
Everyone to one side. Buy
Hmm?
your things.
Yeah, we bought already. And your things.
And
We reach at home. Super init sa labas. And nakakapagod. So mag-fix ko muna yung mga flowers kasi dahil kinuha din namin yung flowers. Come here, Lakshmi. We're gonna fix, the flowers. Here are all the flowers here. For the altar. Come here. We fix the flowers here. Assemble the flowers. Help, mommy. Flowers. Kami sa bahay, guys.
I found jumpers.
Si Lakshmi nandito sa tabi ko gumagawa
I
ng
know
assignment.
it's jump.
Nakauwi na kami. Anong oras na kami nakauwi? What time?
Jump or run? Run, I
na kami nakauwi.
know.
Tapos, sinayos ko pa yung
You know it's Leopard. Run.
Ay,
Of-
yeah.
Cheetah.
Yeah, in-arrange ko pa yung altar, yung flowers niya. So, kakatapos ko lang i-arrange yung altar. Napapakita ko sa inyo kung yung nabili namin. Na-shopping namin today. Siyempre yung bag ni Lakshmi. Ito. May new bag na naman siya.
Crocodiles? Close or jump?
So, di siya mahirapang
Close,
magbitbit.
I know.
Digulong na. Digulong na yung
And
bag
horse
niya.
can
So,
swim
nasa
or
ano
run.
lang
Run,
siya?
I know.
50 ringgit.
A
ringgit
goat
na
can
bag for
wheel or
Lakshmi.
jump.
Tapos yung
Jump.
black shoes niya. Ito.
That can
Black shoes niya
That-
pang
run or fly.
pasok niya sa school.
Right.
Ano lang, 20 ringgit lang. siya,
Finish!
guys. Okay. Tignan ko yung assignment ito kung nasagutan niya ng maayos. Hehe. Hindi ko siya ma-face sa kanya yung camera kasi wala siyang t-shirt. Sobrang init. Okay. Very good. Very good siya sa English. Okay, perfect. Next, the Bahasa Melayu. Gagawin naman yung
Hey,
lahat ng
why
mga...
did you jump?
Okay. Next. Itong shoes niya, 20 ringgit lang siya, guys. Tapos, dumaan ako sa Watson. Bumili ako ng face cream. So, dalawa na yung binili ko. Glad to Glow. Toothpaste ni Lakshmi. Toothbrush. Tsaka perfume ko. Ito siya. Perfume. And sa KK naman, bumili ako ng bread. Of course, pang almusal namin everyday. Butter. Wait. I'll take. Butter. Tomato sauce. May soap. Papaya soap. And saka yung bread ni Lakshmi. Bun niya. So, yan lang guys ang binili ko for today. Sinapin ko today. And dinner namin, hindi ko pa alam kung magiging dinner. We see kung anong lalabas ba mamaya or magluluto ako dito. Nagutom ako at habang si Lakshmi gumagawa ng assignment, gumawa ako ng bread.
like this one.
Gumawa ako ng bread at saka Milo with milk. Si Lakshmi kumakain ng grapes while doing her homework. Malay subject.
Mama.
Okay. Suot na ni Indiana yung isa sa nabili kong pajama niya, guys. Ayan, saktong-sakto lang sa kanya. Okay, what do you want to tell to the guys?
Thank you guys. You like my pajamas? It was cute.
Yes, for sure they like it.
Beautiful.
Come here. Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice.
You're beautiful.
So nice.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you guys. Like,
We're going to sleep now.
share, comment. We make this video and send a heart and a full love with us with a remix video and press this one and you'll see something magical. Bye.
Thank you, bye.